in there?
If you could change the way wireless companies did things, what would you do? I'm Dan Hesse, the new CEO of Sprint. Here's our idea. Use your phone for all the great things it can do without worrying about the meter rights. How's that for a wireless revolution? Pretty awesome, huh?